Cleaning jobs in Canada. Are you looking for a role that provides stable income and regular shifts alongside it? Plus opportunity to take pride in your work and go home knowing you have done a good job? If so, you are in luck. Job as a cleaner will provide all of these things and more. Over 2,500 vacancies are currently available for this job. A cleaner in Canada earns about 17 Canadian dollar per hour. Yearly salary ranges from 40,000 to 60,000 Canadian dollars. Cleaning jobs is one of the most in-demand unskilled jobs in Canada that companies provide visa sponsorships to immigrants. You have the ability to work as a cleaner and earn with or without a degree, education, or previous work experience. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be discussing how to apply for cleaning jobs in Canada, the requirements, and how to get a Canadian work permit. So, sit back and enjoy. Towards the end of this video, I will show you exactly how you can get cleaning jobs in Canada from anywhere around the world with the available job listings that you can apply for and get accepted immediately. Endeavor to watch this video to the end, hit the like button and subscribe for upcoming posts. Finding the right balance between your work and your lifestyle is important. With a cleaning job, you will often find that your shifts include days, evenings, and weekends. Shift patterns can work extremely well for those who have home and family commitments, providing a career that enables you to maintain a healthy work-life balance. A cleaner is a service industry worker who ensures sanitary in the workplace. This entails range of duties, including dusting, mopping, sweeping floors, vacuuming, and cleaning smudges off windows and doors. They also make sure restrooms and common areas stay fresh by performing routine inspections every day at specified times. Cleaners have an awareness of how to clean responsibly and use hazardous cleaning chemicals safely to maintain their health while ensuring the end user's well-being. Though, gaining professional qualifications will give you a competitive edge over other applicants vying for jobs in this field. Responsibilities of a cleaner includes cleaning and stocking designated facility areas, performing routine inspections and maintenance activities, carrying out cleaning tasks and special project, notifying management of occurring deficiencies or needs for repairs, making minor repairs and adjustments, maintaining supply rooms, cooperating with the rest of the staff, following all health and safety regulations. If you are someone with excellent attention to details and a desire to do your job to the best of your ability every day, then cleaning job may be perfect for you. Requirements and skills of a cleaner: interpersonal and communication skills, high level of attention to detail, good organizational abilities, enthusiasm to develop your skills and knowledge, adaptability to change and willingness to embrace new ideas and processes, ability to work unsupervised and deliver quality work, team player qualities, knowledge of cleaning with chemicals and supplies. How to apply for a work permit. In 2021, Canada granted permits to more than 400,000 overseas candidates. This is a huge opportunity for foreign workers seeking to make a better life. Canada Work Permit, or a work visa, is issued to eligible individuals to work in Canada for a specific time period. You need to apply for a work visa only after getting a job offer or an employment contract from a Canadian employer. The employer must obtain from ESDC, Employment and Social Development Canada, and LMIA, Labor Market Impact Assessment, which gives them permission to recruit foreign skilled workers for occupations that cannot be filled in by citizens or permanent residents of Canada. As one of the world's leading economically growing country, Canada is a great destination for individuals seeking to work abroad. The Canadian Work Permit visa allows business people, permanent workers, temporary workers, students and others to work in Canada. Note that applicants need to have a job offer in hand in order to apply for the Work Permit visa. With our end-to-end overseas career solutions, we will help you find a job and apply for a Canadian Work Permit visa if you follow the guide this channel has to offer. How to apply. Once you are eligible, package your CV and get ready to apply for jobs on any of these 3 platforms I will show you now. Number 1 is Glassdoor. I have gathered the available cleaning opportunities for you. Stroll through. Lots of vacancies are available as possible. Endeavor to check the salary information that suits your taste. Read through the job summary. Then proceed with the application processes. It is important that you apply almost immediately you get the job opportunities before they expire. Secondly, Indeed. Stroll through each pages on the tab to see the available cleaning job vacancies which has been sorted for your convenience. Check the earnings or salary package that is best pleasing to you. Take your time to read through the full job descriptions and requirements. Learn about the wages, job outlook, hiring insight and requirements before you then apply. You can as well subscribe for the mail notification, so as to be informed of related job opportunities. The third website is JobBank. This website provides you with daily job updates. I have similarly sorted out available cleaning job for you. Search for these jobs by category and location. Select the job of your choice and proceed with the application. You can apply to as many as possible job vacancies to boost your chances of being selected. If you are enthusiastic about self-development, or you embrace opportunities to improve your skills and knowledge whenever possible, you could build a great career as a cleaner, especially in a specialized setting such as a hospital or a school where diligence, attention to detail and the ability to work under strict guidelines are extremely important. The knowledge you will develop in the areas of contamination prevention and the safeguarding of vulnerable people will be invaluable for future employment opportunities. Thanks for watching. Share this video with friends and loved ones. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Drop your comments in the comment section, as your feedback are of high importance to us. Good luck.